Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to set up your ForexHost VPS on any Chromebook or Chrome OS device. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the ForexHost activation email that you should have received once you signed up. And the second thing you want to do is go to the Google Chrome Web Store and add this app to your Chrome device. So the name is Chrome RDP, and there will be a link below this video for you guys to go ahead and click on it. If not, just go to the Google Chrome Web Store and search Chrome RDP and you should be able to find it. So you want to go ahead and add it right here. Click on add, and then it's been downloaded right here, as you can see. So you want to go ahead and open it, and you want to go ahead and go back to the email that you got from ForexHost and grab the IP address. So we're going to go ahead and grab that IP address. We're going to paste it in here, and we're going to click on connect. It's going to prompt you for a username. The username is VPS. So go ahead and copy that, paste it here. You can go ahead and copy the password as well and paste it into this box right here and press OK. Go ahead and press continue. And there you are. You're logged into your ForexHost VPS using any type of Chrome device.